Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. And this is going to be a quick little ride. I've got the Insta360 out. That's the only thing I've got here today. And I just want to, it's really early. My daughter woke up really early, so I thought to myself, it's not raining. I'm going to get on the wheel, get out, and bring you guys along. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little ride. It's just blasting around a new forest area that I want to explore. So come along, and I hope you enjoy the ride. Awesome. Love this little handle switch that you can select. That if you want to brake hard, you can actually lean into this thing with the handle. Awesome. So guys, that's pretty much it. Just a quick little ride video. I hope you enjoy it. It's a new little area. I came around the one corner and there was this lady with like 3 humongous dogs. It looks like mini donkeys. It's just like, whoa, wow, brakes on, brakes on. But it was all good. She was happy, I was happy, and then we just said good morning. So I'm off, almost home, and I'm going to get some breakfast done, and I will see you on the next ride. Thanks for joining. Cheers, guys.